How to join a clan in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Clash Royale account, and after that there are two ways to join a clan. First one being simply select the option of clans at the bottom right beside the battle option, and here you would be able to find different clans if you are not already in one. And currently I am in a clan, that's why it is showing the clan for me, but for you it will show the search bar and all the other options. Simply search for any particular clan, provide all the filters that you want, like the trophy count, the country or the language and all sort of information, and this way you would be able to find a clan to join it up. The other way is that simply open up your friend list and simply select your friend's profile, and here you get this option of view clan, and this way you would be able to join a clan using this option as well. It depends whether the clan is on invitation mode or it is open. If it is open, you would be able to join it up right away. If it is on invitation, then you can simply request to join, and if your invitation is accepted, then you would be able to get into the clan, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.